Hi there, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about marketing, business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolio. The title for today's video is why is the BlackRock and CoinbasePrime partnership important? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts. Before I get into the main content of the video, I'm going to put my socials on screen now. So if you're active on any of those platforms, follow me there, connect with me there, send me a message and I'll respond in the usual fashion. Okay, some background for this video discussion. Recently, BlackRock who's a large investment management corporation based in New York, BlackRock has partnered with CoinbasePrime for the reason they've done that is to offer institutional investors the opportunity to invest in crypto assets, principally Bitcoin rather than all of the other altcoins. So that is significant. And if you're thinking, well, Mike, why is this so significant? BlackRock has funds under management of $8.5 trillion, and this signals the scaling up of institutional investment in crypto assets. So a few years ago, there was a lot of institutional investors and people in the established financial markets talking down crypto, saying it's not going to last, it's a fad, there's no utility, there's no use case. But here you see the largest investment management corporation in the world putting down a platform and a partnership with Coinbase to allow their institutional investors to invest on a large scale in crypto assets. This is it's something that I touched upon in one of my earlier videos, and I'll reference that now. There's a video about mass adoption and why that's a big opportunity for you. So if you haven't seen that video, watch that video and then come back to this one. So this is, as I say, a very significant turning point because it means that institutional investors are now going to start investing in Bitcoin. What do you think that's going to do to the price of Bitcoin? Obviously there's a limited supply. When I say obviously, people who watch this channel, watch these videos, do their research will know there's a limited supply of Bitcoin. There's only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, full stop, that's it, the end. So when the institutional investors come in with their big funds and they want to buy Bitcoin, the unit cost, the price of Bitcoin is going to go up because there's increased demand. And they have funds much larger than the average retail investor, such as yourself or myself. So that's going to be like the impact of the BlackRock partnership with CoinbasePrime. It's quite interesting also that BlackRock picked Coinbase, probably because they're a publicly limited company in the US. They could have thought about picking Binance, but then Binance is not based in the US, so that's probably why they went with Coinbase. From Coinbase's perspective, it's a vote of confidence. Coinbase has had some ups and downs recently because obviously the crypto market is in a bearish phase. Not only is it in a bearish phase, that's affected the way that Coinbase has been able to operate. So they're making less money from their fees. The transaction fees are notoriously high for cryptocurrency transactions, but also they've had to correct some errors. So they were starting to hire people and then they had to lay people off. They had job offers going out which they had to rescind. So it's been a bit of a mess for Coinbase. So BlackRock giving them this vote of confidence, and then institutional funds in the forthcoming months and years will be flowing between this partnership. It means that that sort of solidifies at least the medium-term future of Coinbase. So it's very good for Coinbase. For BlackRock customers and clients, institutional clients, it gives them access in a structured way to cryptocurrencies and particularly to Bitcoin. They're not really that interested in any other crypto assets other than Bitcoin. They see the longevity of Bitcoin and the value of that, and they're not, from what I've read and what I've researched, they're not that interested in other cryptocurrencies. So it's principally Bitcoin that they'll be plowing into, which means, as I say, the unit costs go up. So if you're invested in Bitcoin, and obviously this is a video made for edutainment purposes, this is not financial advice, but if you're invested in Bitcoin, you should see the value of your holdings go up. And if you're thinking about, then you should perhaps take action before this kicks in, and you will see the change, and it's quite strange for me to observe that lots of people who were interested in the crypto market, when there's a bearish phase, we're in a bearish market at the moment, and the price goes down, people are reluctant to invest when really they should invest. And then when it's more buoyant and we're in a bullish market, and all the indices are pointing upwards, and there's green across CoinMarketCap listings, then people want to invest when Bitcoin's at 50 or 60,000. But you had the opportunity, you got the opportunity when it's in the 20s. So yes, this is very significant. Please watch my other video about mass adoption, and you'll see the significance of this. But I think it's something that needed to be just noted in a separate thematic video, and that's why I've spoken about BlackRock and CoinbasePrime partnership that's just coming into operation, and then the likely impact of that on the Bitcoin market. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give me a like. Click on one of the two thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye.